Managing refunds can be a hassle, especially when store owners need to change multiple orders to refunded status in bulk. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to simplify this task with custom bulk actions in WooCommerce. Whether you want to refund with restocking or process refunds without restocking the stock levels, we've got you covered. Let's begin with the implementation of bulk refund orders with restocking. Navigate to a product on the product page. Here you can see the stock level because stock management is enabled for this product in the back end. For example, let's assume the current stock quantity of this item is 20. Add the product to the cart and place an order. Similarly, you can choose another product, check its stock level, and place a separate order. Now go to the WooCommerce orders page to see the placed orders. Select multiple orders, then click on bulk actions. You'll notice two custom bulk actions in the dropdown: Refund with Restocking, Refund Without Restocking. We'll select the option Refund Without Restocking and see how it works. Select the Refund Without Restocking option and click Apply. The selected orders will be refunded, but the stock levels will not be updated. The initial stock levels were 20 and 10. They will now show 19 and 9, since restocking wasn't applied. Let's now see how bulk refund orders with restocking works. Go to Product page and place another order. The product has a stock level of 19. Add it to the cart and place the order. Return to the Orders page, select the new order, and choose Refund with Restocking from the dropdown. Click Apply to process the refund and restock the product. Verify the stock levels by going back to the product page and check the stock levels. You'll see that the stock level is still 19 because the refunded stock has been restocked correctly. Thank you for watching. For detailed code snippets and step-by-step instructions, visit the full blog post linked below.